In today's video, we will be talking about 10 insane inventions of 2023. 10. REGENT Sea Glider. This is an electric ground effect vehicle that aims to make transportation between coastal cities cheaper and easier. According to the creators, the operation comes in 3 modes at once: floating, flight and ground effect, and regular flights. The vehicle is a 12-person cabin, has a range of 184 miles, and speeds of about 180 miles per hour. So far, only a scaled-down prototype has been built, but the creator plans to enter the commercial transportation market by 2025. The team claims to have received $465 million worth of pre-orders. 9. Tap XPR. The Tap XPR looks just like a smartwatch, but it is actually a modern device for data input with both AR and VR options. It is a virtual keyboard on your wrist. It comes with a set of sensors that tracks your finger movement with 99% accuracy. The movements are then translated into commands, which can be customized the way you want. You can set both individual tap and combinations of virtual keys. The gadget is compatible with smartphones, PCs, projectors, and tablets, and it works with macOS, iOS, Android, Linux, and Windows. The device runs for about 12 hours on a single charge, and with one hand, you can type up to 70 words per minute, which are twice as fast as two-handed typing on a conventional keyboard. 8. Mechatronic Arm. The manufacturers of the Mechatronic Arm believe that developments like theirs is useful in performing more tasks but comes at a high cost. Due to this, not everyone who needs a robotic arm will be able to get one. The solution to this problem is exactly what the team has done. Their creation is a 3D printed robotic arm that uses an Arduino microcontroller as its brain. It has 4 degrees of freedom and simplified control that allows the user to easily get used to it. 7. Invisible fire-resistant wood coating. This development is an invention of scientists at Nanyang Technological University, Singapore. It is an invisible coating that makes wood fire-resistant. The fireproof coating is highly transparent and is 0.075 millimeters thick. This makes it invisible to the naked eye. When the wood is heated up by a hot flame, the coating becomes a char that expands to more than 30 times its original thickness. The coating has the potential to stop fire damage, so will be useful as a structural element for buildings, which is a crucial step in the fight against climate change. 6. Lenovo Rollable Tech. Lenovo is not only active in the global personal computer market, but also in more compact devices. One of them is a smartphone and laptop with retractable displays. Interestingly, the screen on the phone increases from 4 to 6.5 inches, and that of the laptop from 12.7 to 15.3 inches. The technology not only surprises people, but also helps with your work. There are no details yet about when these devices will be on sale. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and give this video a like if you are loving the content. 5. Lifesaver Storm Shelter. Tornadoes and hurricanes have been huge problems in the US, and that's why people buy different shelters. This Lifesaver Storm Shelter is an example. It costs $3,500 and comes in both underground and above-ground versions. They have been tested to be EF5 tornado-proof. This means they can withstand winds of 200 miles per hour or more. 4. Airplane Rescue Model Concept. About 75% of airplane accidents are caused by human error. This has led to the Airplane Rescue Model Concept, which is a new approach to aircraft construction. In case of an emergency, the concept makes it possible for the passenger cabin to get separated from the rest of the airplane. The cabin also descends gently using parachutes. Tickets for these airplanes will, however, be 15% more expensive. 3. Cyberkat. The Cyberkat is a remote-controlled electric vehicle designed to help you clear snow in the depth of winter. It has a sharp, angular silhouette and few curves, and is fitted with wide tracks that allow you to cut through the snow. Cyberkat is 29 inches long and 19 inches wide and has a ground clearance of 4.25 inches that gives it the ability to glide across uneven terrain. Also, it runs on a standard 775 electric motor and 4 12-volt batteries. 2. Ingstorm Escape Chutes. The Ingstorm escape chutes are useful in the case of a fire outbreak. Of course, there are ladders, but people can get burnt or poisoned by combustion products before they get safe. So this solution is safer than ladders. The material used in making the chute is flame retardant and can withstand up to 661 pounds. Also, the chute is versatile, needs minimal maintenance, and is suitable not only for machinery but also for buildings and structures. 1. Helix Robot Neptune. The Helix Robotic Neptune is manufactured by the Canadian robotics company Copperstone Technologies. It has no wheels or treads but moves on 4 screw-shaped pontoons in all directions. As these pontoons independently rotate, they move the robot across mud, dry soil, and also the surface of the water in tailgating ponds. It can work autonomously and can be controlled remotely. As Neptune travels on and across the ponds, it uses onboard sensors to gather data about the water, like its chemical and oxygen content, turbidity, and salinity,